Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to 𝐶𝐿 Technologies. Today we'll continue with our SQL Accounting System training. Today's topic will be purchase order. Let's get started. In SQL Accounting Software, we go to purchase module. You can see that purchase order is the second transaction in purchase module. But normally, because most companies do not use purchase request, they will directly start with purchase order. Even though your company do not practice purchase order, but I always recommend you to key in purchase order, especially when you have stock control, because there's one report that's very important. It's called purchase, print outstanding purchase document listing, where you can track your purchase order. So let's go into purchase order. When you come into purchase order, you can see a list of all the purchase order that you have created before. You can search the previous transaction using the document number, the date, company name, description, and so on. We have more than 20 fields for you to search for one transaction. Confirm you are able to search. Let's create a new purchase order. Go to new. Again, select your supplier. You do not need to scroll and look for the supplier. Just type the name, EM, done. If you have created purchase request before, so you can right click column title. You can right click the title of purchase order. You can transfer from the previous purchase request. If you have not done so, you can directly key in. Let's say I directly key in as for this item. You can search the item using the item code, item description, or description 2. If you want to move the searching focus from code to description, just click the tab key on your keyboard. So now you can see the focus is at description. So we are using description to do searching. Let's say you type SQL, you can see that it's searched using the description. So put in the amount, let's say 1899, save it, done. So this is purchase order. You can preview the purchase order, select the templates that you want. You can print the purchase order directly, or you can directly convert to PDF, export, put at desktop. So your purchase order is at desktop, and you can attach in your email to send to your supplier, or you can just open web WhatsApp and WhatsApp to your supplier for this purchase order. Okay, once you key in, it will be listed out in this listing. Okay, just in case you have the outstanding purchase document listing, you can go to print outstanding purchase document listing, print outstanding purchase order, apply, and you can see that you will able to track when you purchase from this supplier, from which supplier, what is the item. You order 1 unit, you have not received any. Okay, or for this one, you order 10, you receive 8, there is outstanding 2, then you can do follow-up. So with purchase order, you are able to track all the orders that you have not received. So it's a very good way for tracking purpose. If you are interested in SQL Accounting Software, or you want to sign up maintenance with us, please contact us directly. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Brian from 𝐶𝐿 Technologies. See you in the next video. Thank you.